Hello everyone. If you're looking to sharpen your SQL skills, you've come to the right place. Let's explore 3 platforms. First up is SQLZoo, a beginner-friendly platform with interactive tutorials covering SQL syntax and more complex concepts. You'll practice SQL directly within SQLZoo. Immediate feedback and hints support your learning journey. Next, let's talk about HackerRank, known for coding challenges in various languages, including SQL. HackerRank offers an SQL section with problems ranging from basic queries to advanced techniques. Last but not least, we have LeetCode, focused on preparing you for technical interviews with real-world SQL problems. LeetCode's SQL problems are organized by difficulty, allowing you to progress from easy to complex tasks. Whether you're beginning or preparing for interviews, SQLZoo, HackerRank, and LeetCode offer something for everyone. Thanks for watching. Press like if this video helped you and subscribe for more content. Happy coding!